Today we're going to be showing you how to build a Lowe's DIY Kids Workshop miniature basketball goal set. Before we get started, you need to know it does contain some small nails and it's not recommended for children under 3 years old because of the sharp points. And it also, they request that you have adult supervision. As you see, the tabletop basketball comes with instructions. Today Elijah's going to be building this set. He's going to be using a small hammer, although we have not read on the instructions where that is required. We're just going to use a small hammer to help get the small nails into the basketball goal. Step 1 shows that you put part C into part B. This would be part C, and this would be part B. Okay. Elijah placed 2 nails in this bottom base. He did not use that part, so don't get confused with that. And then he's going to put this column onto the base. This column has the place for the 2 nails right there, and you'll know that's the correct one because it'll have these markings also on it.
And we recommend that you hammer it on a sturdy surface, because if not, the nails won't hold that good.
We're testing to see if you can put them with your hands. Elijah's just kind of pushing them in.
No.
So while we didn't see that you need a hammer, we would recommend one. They recommend on this part that you hang part B off of the table while you're nailing it in. So next you'll be putting the scoreboard together. They recommend that you put the circular disc that have the numbers face down when you're looking at the back of this. Okay, no, so this is the part you put you'll want to put the disc face down on this side, because when you're done, you'll have a scoreboard behind your backboard and it'll show the numbers. The reason they want you to put the disc numbers down is now, when you turn it over like it's supposed to be, you will not be able to see a score. So we made a mistake, we're going to fix it, but we wanted you guys to see why the numbers are supposed to be face down. So this is how they're intended to go. They're just down like this. He's putting the other side in. So the next part, you'll be attaching your backboard to the post for the basketball goal. And so if you've been following the instructions so far, there's pretty much only one way to do it at this point. So you have the 2 nail slots, and then you have your basketball goal. And he's putting the nails in first through the basketball goal just to help him guide into the post. So he's put the backboard behind the pole like this. This is what it should look like, because the rim is going to rest on this part of the goal right here. So we're ready for one of the final steps now. We did notice that you will end up with an extra small nail and an extra big nail when you're done. That should be fine. They actually include an iron-on patch that you can put on it, like a merit patch they call it. But we're not doing it at this point since it does require an iron and we're outside. Here is the warning for the iron-on merit patch. To be used by adults only. So this is the ball that comes with it. It's a plastic, pretty hard plastic we found out. You can't really squeeze it or nothing like that. So that will be what you use. So this is the finished product so far. And now we're ready for some one-on-one.